In this video, we will remachine the pocket and post the file. Pocket remachining is only used with closed chains. It calculates areas where the pocket roughing tool could not machine the stock and creates a remachining pocket toolpath to clear the remaining material. Like the previous operation, select Toolpaths, Pocket. When the chaining dialog box appears, choose the last button to reselect the chains used in the previous toolpath. Once complete, select the OK button to exit the chaining dialog box. On the toolpath type page, Pocket will be selected. Next, we will select a 1/32-inch flat end mill from the library and set the tool parameters. To do this, choose Tool from the tree view list. Now, click on the Select Library Tool button and then choose the Filter button. Select the None button and then under Tool Types, choose the flat end mill icon. Under Tool Diameter, pick Equal and input a value of 0.03125. Once the parameters have been adjusted, select the OK button to exit the tool list filter. In the tool selection dialog box, you should now only see a 1/32-inch flat end mill. Select this tool and then choose the OK button. Your tool will appear as shown. Input the following comment: remachine the pocket. Once complete, select the cut parameters. For pocket type, enable the option Remachining. Make the following changes as shown. I will now explain a few of these parameters. Compute remaining stock from the previous operation determines remaining stock for remachining by calculating stock removed during the previous toolpath. Clearance extends the remachining toolpath at the beginning and end to prevent cusps of material from being left behind. Once the parameters have been changed, select the roughing parameters. Ensure that parallel spiral is enabled. Also, change the step over percentage to 55. The rest of your parameters should appear as shown. Finally, enable the option Display Stock for Constant Overlap Spiral. You should note that the cutting method is defined by the pocket type and cannot be modified for remachining. The finishing, lead in, lead out, and depth cuts parameters are the same as the previous toolpath, therefore, we do not need to view them. That being said, select the linking parameters. Change the depth to an absolute value of -0.125. The rest of your parameters should appear as shown. You can now select the OK button to generate the toolpath. From here, we will backplot and verify the operation to ensure that the tool motion is correct. Select the backplot icon. Ensure that Tool and Workpiece are enabled. Now select the isometric view and click the Play Simulation button. Your toolpath will appear as shown. You can now exit Backplot. Finally, select all of the operations and verify the part. Ensure that Tool, Stock, and Workpiece are enabled. Select the isometric view and press the Play Simulation button to run Verify. If needed, press the fit icon. Your part will appear as shown. You can now exit Verify. Finally, we will post the file. Ensure that all of the operations are selected. If they are not, choose the Select All Operations button. Next, pick the Post Selected Operations button. The post-processing dialog box will appear. Choose OK. Now save your file. If you want to replace your file, click Yes. A window with Mastercam Code Expert will be launched, and the NC program will appear as shown. Ensure that this appears correct for your machine. You can now exit the Mastercam Code Expert and save your file. This will complete tutorial number 4.